mwachamulie bono tikatoske motu ase abarai ao Nigo baikana asomoyega woko mwene nyagosira omogaka Edwin Kipchirchir imeye county ya Bomet oyuereise David Chirchir muwaziri we wizara y'obosombi amone chibara imeyense ya Kenya egati abarai baikana na mono mubunge wense mwenye bunge ya Suna East Junet Mohamed mono mugabana we county ya Omabeg Gladys Wanga korangana na Junet Nigo morai bwense anyekonyire mono ense ya Kenya ejo yarenge na Amateni Amanene ekeraso etabisi buna omorai bwense asensemo yaye Wanga Nigo amotege omorai bwense William Ruto asowekerania magenderero na kobarenta amwaba Kenya chingaki arabisi.
Your Excellency, yesterday the government has released the Economic Survey 2026. And for those who want to read keenly, leave alone what these papers are writing, the economic survey that was released yesterday has confirmed that the foundation of our economy is very strong. It has also proved that Kenya is the third largest economy in Sub-Saharan Africa. Wako number 3. After South Africa, Nigeria, Kenya is number 3 in the whole of Sub-Saharan African countries. Najua wale wanapenda kuangalia mpira, Your Excellency, wanasema ukiwa 1, 2, 3 you qualify for UEFA Champions League. Ndio unaenda. People were just asking me yesterday whether tutakuwa Arsenal or Man City, which one are we going to be? But Kenya is doing very well, and the economic survey has brought out many things that Kenyans need to take very serious. Your Excellency, the economic survey has said that there is 25,000 roads that are being tarmacked in our country. 25,000 kilometers of road that are being tarmacked in our country. Production of maize has moved to almost 50 million bags. 1 million jobs was created last year. 1 million jobs in our country. It has also talked about the economy because, Your Excellency, people think that this economy was in a good place when you took over. For us who have been in parliament, we know where we were because this economy was under serious debt distress. The last government, the previous government of President Moi left no debt because nobody was giving money. The government of President 1.8 trillion only. The last government, including the fake handshake that we were inside, we left 10 trillion to the country. Trillion kumi. There was no money for development. There was nothing. Now turning around and removing the country from that cesspit was not an easy task. So only a genius leader who's committed to work will do that job, Mr. Excellency. And we must thank you for removing Kenyans from that cesspit to where they are today, where they're not worried about paying debts.
Sisi tumeona hii broad-based government ambayo wewe rais pamoja na the late baba mliweka pamoja. Na tunaona ni kwa nini. I've seen comparison of figures, but somebody should also compare equity. Ile maendeleo ambayo imeendelea katika kila kona ya hii nchi bila ubaguzi. Na sisi hatuwezi uziwa ukabila, tuuziwe uoga, tuuziwe utangamano, separation and division of Kenyans, because the broad-based government under yourself and my party leader now, Dr. Oburu Oginga, ni kuweka wa Kenya pamoja, every Kenyan, leaving no Kenyan behind, kila Mkenya asonge mbele. Na sisi tuko hapo, as a government we know where we've come from, we know where we are, and we know where we are going.